Hi everyone! Welcome to today's English lesson. In this episode, we're going to explore the basic parts of a house and building structures. These are very important words to know because they help you describe not only the inside of a home, but also the outside and how it is built. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to name many key components of a house with confidence. Let's dive right in. Let's begin with the things that let us go in and out or bring light into the house. Door, a hinged barrier that swings open or closed to provide access to a room or building. Window, an opening in the wall or roof that lets in light and air. Skylight, a special window installed in the roof or ceiling to let in daylight. Gate, a barrier that opens and closes at the entrance of a yard or driveway. Garage door, a large door that opens to allow cars in and out of the garage. Now let's look at the strong parts that hold the house together. Roof, the top covering of a building, protecting it from rain, snow, and sun. Ceiling, the upper interior surface of a room, usually painted or decorated. Wall, a vertical structure that surrounds or divides a building. Floor, the surface you walk on inside a room. Foundation, the lowest part of a building, usually underground, that supports the entire structure. Beam, a long, strong piece of wood, metal, or concrete that supports weight. Pillar, a tall, vertical support that holds up parts of a building. Next, let's talk about the features and divisions inside the home. Stairs, a series of steps that connect different levels of a house. Partition, a wall or screen that divides a room into separate areas. Hallway, corridor, a passage that connects rooms together. Balustrade, railing, a barrier along stairs or balconies for safety. Finally, let's look at the parts and items that make the house safe, comfortable, and livable. Chimney, a vertical pipe or brick structure that carries smoke outside. Ventilation, openings or systems that bring fresh air into the building. Insulation, material in walls and ceilings that keeps heat in during winter and out during summer. Furniture, objects like tables, chairs, and beds that make a home comfortable. Appliance, machines like a refrigerator, stove, or washing machine that make life easier. Lighting fixtures, lamps, chandeliers, or ceiling lights that brighten rooms. Security system, devices like cameras, alarms, or locks that keep the house safe. That's it for today's lesson. Now you know the most important words to describe the parts and structure of a house in English. Try looking around your own home and naming each part. It's a simple way to practice every day. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more useful English lessons. Thanks for learning with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.